To replace the glow plug wire on a Searwood pellet grill, you'll need a new glow plug wire and a Phillips head screwdriver. Unplug the grill and wait until the grill is fully cool. After the grill is cool, locate the Easy Access maintenance panel on the front of the hopper and remove the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Open the maintenance panel. Now, you will need to disconnect the glow plug from the maintenance panel. Pinch and pull the quick disconnect plug on the circuit board to disconnect the glow plug from the grill. Pinch and pull the quick disconnect plug on the motor to disconnect from the grill. Remove the black ferrite from the glow plug wire. Unplug the glow plug wire from the 3 wire clips in the maintenance panel. There is one on either side of the pellet release handle, and a third between the hopper chute and the grill. Next, you will need to disconnect the glow plug wire from the glow plug mounting bracket. Remove the grates, flavorizer bar, and the heat diffuser from the cook box. Then, unscrew the wing screws from the burn pot and remove the burn pot. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the glow plug mounting bracket. Remove the nut that connects the blue glow plug wire and the bolt that connects the silver glow plug wire to the glow plug mounting bracket. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver, uninstall the fan from the grill. This will allow the glow plug wire to pull through and out of the cook box. Gently pull the glow plug wire from the cook box and out through the maintenance panel. Now you can replace the glow plug wire. To do this, thread the new glow plug wire through the maintenance panel and over the pellet release handle. Reclip the glow plug wire into the 3 wire clips in the grill. Reconnect the glow plug wire to the grill. Reconnect the motor to the grill. Reclip the ferrite over the glow plug wire and black power cable. Reinstall the fan. Ensure the fan wires thread through the opening on the hopper. From this view, it's on the right. Pull the glow plug wire through the auger channel and reconnect to the glow plug mounting bracket, ensuring the nuts are tight. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, return the glow plug mounting bracket. Put the burn pot back in place and return the wing screws. Put the heat diffuser, flavorizer bar, and grates back into the cook box. Put the maintenance panel back and secure the screws. Then, plug the grill in and get cooking. For more information, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.